Hey there! Welcome to your ultimate guide for getting started with affiliate marketing. If you're dreaming of earning your very first online income but feel overwhelmed by all the options out there, stick around because today we're diving into the best affiliate programs that are not only beginner-friendly, but also actually pay out real commissions. Imagine this. You're relaxing with a cup of coffee in a sunlit apartment, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, ping! You see a notification that you've just earned a commission. Sounds like a dream, right? But trust me, it's totally possible, especially if you choose the right affiliate program to kick off your journey. So which affiliate programs are truly the best for beginners? Let's break it down step by step. First up, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the world's largest online store, and the best part is almost anyone can apply and get started. You can literally promote almost anything you can think of. From beauty products and skincare to tech gadgets, kitchen tools, books, and even pet supplies. All you have to do is grab your unique affiliate link and share it on your blog, your social media accounts, or even send it to friends and family on WhatsApp. While the commissions per sale aren't massive, Amazon is super easy to use, highly trusted by shoppers, and it's the perfect place to learn the basics of affiliate marketing. Next, let's talk about ShareASale. ShareASale is a goldmine for beginners because it connects you with thousands of brands in categories like fashion, home, lifestyle, and even wellness. Their dashboard is super simple to navigate, and their payouts are reliable and on time, which is so important when you're just starting out. If you love having a wide variety of products and brands to choose from, you'll absolutely love exploring ShareASale. Another fantastic pick for beginners is Rakuten Advertising. Rakuten is a global powerhouse. Think luxury brands, stylish products, and a reputation for working with some of the world's most recognized companies. Their support team and educational resources are top-notch for beginners, so you'll never feel lost or confused about what to do next. Now, let's not forget about ClickBank, a favorite for those interested in digital products. ClickBank is famous for its huge selection of digital products. Think online courses, ebooks, software, and all kinds of online tools. The best part, commissions can go as high as 75%, which means you can earn a lot more per sale compared to physical products. Plus, it's quick and easy to join, even if you're based outside the US, making it accessible for affiliates all over the world. If you're passionate about beauty and fashion, you should definitely check out Reward Style and CJ Affiliate. These platforms feature elegant, high-end brands and are perfect if you're active on Instagram, Pinterest, or other visual social media platforms. The application process can be a bit more selective, but if you have a stylish vibe and love sharing your favorite finds, it's absolutely worth applying. Here's my honest tip for you. Start simple and don't overcomplicate things. Sign up for just one or two programs at first. Test out what works for you, and focus on promoting products that genuinely match your style and your audience's interests. Remember, consistency always beats perfection in the long run. So, are you ready to kickstart your affiliate journey and start building your online income stream? Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and let's support each other as we grow and earn together. And don't forget, subscribe to WHU29 for more tips, guides, and inspiration on making money online. Hit that bell so you never miss a single tip that could change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.